What's happening, party people from the fifth dimension? This is your homeboy Angelo. I'm feeling a little stressed today. I'm trying to work it off, doing some weights, a little bit of allergies. I think I need to try to do something else. All right, I need to get outside. I've been inside this place too long. I need out. De-stress, defrag. You know what we need? We need some grounding. Not like when your mom used to say you're grounded. No, that's different. We need to get grounded into the earth, man. So, I want to share with you guys a little bit. And I just... getting down into the earth, being one with it, feeling those negative ions, and breathing is a great way of dealing with stress and anxiety. And I know this because I've dealt with stress and anxiety in my life. And after I was diagnosed with a brain tumor, because of the way I discovered it was that I had epilepsy, chronic epilepsy, and multiple seizures every day. So it was hard for me to stop seizing. I went to the easy solution at first, which was medications, and medications usually create the problems that they're designed to eradicate or help. So I started getting into grounding and breath work and doing the Wim Hof method, which really saved me. I mean, the control over my anxiety, my autonomic nervous system through breathing, through meditation, and through cold showers, cold exposure, really strengthened my capacity for handling stress and not creating as much stress for myself. So being still, unplugging from the television, from the phone, from the laptop, all integral parts of dealing with stress. Because a lot of epilepsy is triggered by stress. I mean, stress on the immune system, stress on the body in some way, and just stress that we create from our own prefrontal nugget here. So when I'm feeling stressed out, I have to remind myself to get my ass outside and into the medicine. And it's all around. This is the best medicine right here, nature. I mean, I was sitting in front of a computer all day, taking benzodiazepines and wondering why I couldn't alleviate my stress. I mean, it seems kind of obvious, but at the time it didn't. I thought I just needed to hunker down and hide inside, but turns out physical exercise and breathing and grounding is an amazing way to heal your body. I don't think it's just epilepsy or brain cancer that this can help with. I think it's anything that ails you. If you're having a stressful day, take time out and slow down. Go outside, and if you can't go outside, get away from your devices. Get near some natural light by a window. Get down on the ground and just let go a little bit. Sometimes we feel so overwhelmed with all of the tasks that we have at hand that we never are able to concentrate on one of them. We become overwhelmed, and it's like having so many browsers open, so many tabs open on your browser, and you're getting a little bit of work done on one, and then another notification pops up and you're getting another notification, and before you know it, the day's ended and you've got nothing done on any of it. I know how that feels. I liken it to having several piles of clothes all over the floor, say, trash, whatever it is. You live in a hoarder's house, and all this stuff is accumulating all over, and you've got to take care of it. You know, you can get Marie Kondo to come in, but she's probably not available. Or you can just say, I'm going to tackle, make 3 piles. This is what I'm going to do today, is just this thing, and this thing, and this thing, and that's that. Make lists. Declutter your mind, defrag your brain, de-stress your life, man. Whatever it takes, just remember that. Stay mindful, stay self-aware, and eventually the pieces will slowly but surely all start to come together. At least that's what I keep telling myself. And celebrate your accomplishments. Try not to stress on the things you still need to accomplish or work on. That's my 2 cents for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace.